Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do a tempered glass installation, the regular one plus the privacy one, and it comes to us from amFilm for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a tempered glass that I actually picked up from Amazon.com. Comes to us from amFilm. I actually went on Slick Deals and I actually saw these on sale about 2-3 weeks ago. And if you guys did not watch my Spigen video when it came to the 16 Pro Max tempered glass installation, I actually already got a crack in the screen protector. So it actually cracked. Let me see if I can show it to you. Right over there. So this is the perfect time to actually make the video about these two tempered glasses. One is the regular one and the other one is the privacy screen protector. So we have this privacy on the left and we have the regular one on the right. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing and you guys could see, and just going to do the one for the privacy one, but I did actually want to show you how this one looks as far as the regular one. But as far as the packaging, very clean, right? And you just pop this out. All right, so this is what it looks like. You get 2 in a pack, and it looks like you get a free lens protector inside the packaging. I will have a link down below to this as well if you guys want to pick it up. You have a screen protector accessories, so you should have a microfiber cleaning cloth and a cleaning wipe. And you have your dust removal stickers, which is the whole screen, which is pretty cool. And you have your squeegee right over here, so if you have any bubbles, you could take that out. So this is pretty cool because I haven't had this one on the channel yet. I do like how it's in a packaging, which is pretty cool. Which one is this one? This is the regular one, and we're going to unbox the privacy one as well. It probably would have made sense to have it like a separate video, but I figured it's the same company that we do it in one video, so I could show it to you side by side. So it's the same in the box, and I just wanted to show you how they look side by side when it comes to the actual clear one and when it comes to the privacy protector. So as you can see, as the one on the left, it has a little bit of a tint, and of course for this one it is nice and clear. So let's get right into it. We are going to put them to the side. Let's get settled in, and we're going to place this, and we're going to turn the phone off. So let's take a look at what we get in the packaging. Should be pretty simple, like I said earlier. So you have your microfiber cleaning cloth, and you have your wet wipe, and you have your dust removal sticker. So if you don't want to use this giant sticker, then you have another one. So I do have to take off the old tempered glass. As you can see, there's a nice little crack in there. Take the old one off. No damage. Put that to the side. Take the wet wipe. And we are going to clean it just like so. Make sure you get the edges too, because a lot of time the edges have a lot of oil. Alright, clean that up. Put that down, and then we're going to get your microfiber clean cloth, and we're going to go around just like so. It's hard to see from behind the camera if there's any dust, but I will showcase how to use the sticker in case you guys have an older device. Pop that off and just lay it right on top. Alright, then dab a little bit, take off all the dust. Looks pretty good. Alright, so let's get into the privacy detector. Privacy screen protector, let's get into it. So you do have the amFilm logo right there. Alright, so basically what you have to do is you have to turn it over, and you have to make sure which one says top, and you're going to peel off step 1. As you can see, it's going to be the opposite side of this one. Peel that off. Then we're going to place this right on top, just like so. Make sure it fits in perfectly. Looks like it's pretty good. All right, as you can see. And now what you want to do is you want to push this in. Now we move on to step 2, which would be to take this part off. See how that goes here. Just like that. Was it that easy? Holy cow, look at that. So it's only one step, which is a little bit different than the one from Spigen. Let me get my squeegee. I'm going to knock out some of those bubbles, but as you can see, it's looking really, really clean. Definitely loving that. Alright, so we're going to take out some of these bubbles, force them out, okay, and then we're going to hit the sides, just like so. The squeegee, get the sides. So this is just a one-step process, which is basically you just have to clean it, and you have to place it on top. Then you do the first step is you remove this part right here out. And then how you do is you lay it on, and then you press on it, and then you pop it right back off, and that's it. So it's a very, very simple installation. The one from Spigen has like a 3-step, but as you can see, works absolutely perfect. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. I'm going to put it in a case just to see if it lifts up. I do have the Unicorn Beetle grip on deck still. So except for this minor bubble here, which would actually go away, this looks absolutely perfect. Let's see how it looks as far as the privacy detection. See that? It's hiding that apple. This is exactly what you want to see. There you go. Let's see about the angle from here. See if you look at it from that side. Really, really cool. So I'm going to wait for this to load up, and we will be right back. Alright, so we are now back. I just want to show you guys how it looks from the side. So you can see a little bit of that orange, and on this side it looks pretty good, but it does actually do the job pretty well. I don't see no type of issues. Now let's get into this part when it comes to the protection for the camera lens. Alright, so let's get into the actual camera lens protector. I am probably not going to install these, but it seems very, very simple. All you have to do is you have to peel this part off, just like so, and you have to place it right on top of your camera ring, and just make sure that it's cleaned the same exact way how you clean that front screen is exactly how you clean this. But you guys let me know what you guys think about the camera lens. But as far as everything else, I do actually want to see if it'll work with a case. So let's try that out. So it's probably not going to work with a case because it's probably going to stick out. You know what? Let's try to do it and we'll see what happens, because I did get a question about this, seeing if it actually work with that. Let's try it out. All right. Pops right in. Let's see if it works with a case that has that protection. And it does. It actually works. Now let's see about the camera. Alright, so let's just see how the camera is. Let's get into that zoom camera. It looks absolutely perfect to me. Alright guys, so if you guys want to buy this tempered glass, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Big shout out to amFilm. They did have a nice little discount on these. I will have the code down below if it still works. Very, very simple to install. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.